Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best face rhinestones is probably one of the most versatile and dazzling accessories you can add to your makeup routine, instantly transforming any look from everyday to extraordinary with a touch of sparkle and glamour. Whether you're aiming for a subtle shimmer or a bold, statement-making effect, these tiny gems offer endless possibilities for creative expression, making them a must-have for festivals, parties, or simply elevating your daily style. Get ready to discover how these little wonders can unlock a new level of beauty and fun in your makeup artistry. Number 5. 2000 PCS Flat Back Gems Rhinestone Set. Unleash your creativity with this set of 2000 flat back rhinestones. They come in 6 different sizes, perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to any project. This package includes not only the rhinestones but also a quality tweezer and a pickup pen. These tools make it easy to handle and place each gem precisely. Find the ideal size for every detail, from tiny accents to larger embellishments. The assortment ranges from 1.5 mm to 6 mm, offering great versatility. Crafted from quality glass, these rhinestones feature multifaceted sides that catch the light beautifully. They can adhere to a variety of surfaces, bringing a charming shine. Decorate everything from nail art and clothing to phone cases and greeting cards. These versatile gems are perfect for DIY art, weddings, and personalizing your belongings. Simply use glue to attach these non-hotfix rhinestones to your chosen items. Achieve professional-looking results with these easy-to-use embellishments. What we like. This set offers a generous quantity of rhinestones in various sizes, perfect for detailed projects. If you're looking for versatility in size and need tools to help with application, this is a great choice for crafts, nail art, and embellishing clothing. What people say. With 2000 pieces in different sizes, they're perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to my junk cases and nail art projects. The quality is fantastic, and the tweezers and picking pen make application super easy. Each one in its own compartment in the box, sealed tightly, so no easy mix-ups among gems or mess. They have a really pretty shine to them, and you can do lots of different designs with the variety of sizes offered. They come with tweezers with super thin ends perfect for picking up the smaller gems, and the white tip pencil also makes it easier to use them. The rhinestones are made of clear, sparkling glass and they look better than most of what you see in the craft stores. The long, thin tips make placing the rhinestones much easier than the drugstore tweezers I had been using. Number 4. Nicpro 4125 PCS Self-Adhesive Rhinestone Stickers. Unleash your creativity with over 4,125 self-adhesive rhinestone stickers. Available in 25 vibrant colors, these gems are perfect for adding a dazzling touch to any project. Featuring 3 versatile sizes, 3 mm, 4 mm, and 5 mm, these gems are ideal for intricate details on your face, nails, or any DIY craft you can imagine. Enjoy the convenience of our upgraded self-adhesive backing. Simply peel and stick them securely to various surfaces without the need for extra glue, ensuring a clean and mess-free experience. Crafted from safe, skin-friendly acrylic, these gems adhere firmly yet remove cleanly. They are gentle on skin and surfaces, leaving no sticky residue behind. Elevate your crafts and celebrations. Use them for greeting cards, gift wrapping, phone cases, scrapbooks, and party decorations for birthdays, festivals, and holidays. These versatile stickers are perfect for all your DIY projects. Let your imagination run wild and add a unique sparkle to everything you create. What we like. With an abundance of colors and sizes, these self-adhesive gems are incredibly convenient. If you want to add vibrant, multicolored sparkle to your face, nails, or crafts without the fuss of glue, these are ideal for festivals and quick, dazzling looks. What people say. These rhinestones are self-adhesive and easy to apply, saving time and effort. The variety of sizes and shapes allows for creative makeup looks. They stay put throughout the event without falling off. Number 3. ZLXIN Noctilucent Face Gems Luminous Makeup Temporary Tattoo Stickers. Introducing our luminous face gems that shine brightly even in complete darkness. Simply expose them to light before use to enhance their glow and make you stand out. Crafted from safe and healthy materials, these gems are gentle on all skin types. You can wear them with confidence, knowing they are non-toxic and odorless. These pre-attached gems are self-adhesive, making them incredibly easy to apply and remove. They are also reusable, simply reapply with eyelash glue for multiple uses. Decorate anywhere on your face and body with these versatile gems. Create unique and glamorous looks that express your personal style. Shine at any event, from festivals and raves to parties and special occasions. These sparkling gems will make you the center of attention wherever you go. Transform your look instantly with these dazzling acrylic crystal glitter stickers. They add a magical touch to any outfit or occasion. What we like? These unique gems offer a luminous effect, making you stand out in low light. If you're heading to a rave, festival, or costume party and want a dramatic, glowing effect that's easy to apply and reuse, these are your go-to for an unforgettable look. What people say. Easy to apply, easy to remove. These gems glitter and sparkle in the sun, and also glow in the dark. You can use these on the skin or hair. Super cute. The glue holds up well. It is very shiny and glittery and very sticky, and it's very beautiful once it's on where you need it to be. Number 2. Mr. Pen 2000 PCS Rhinestones Kit. Introducing the Mr. Pen Rhinestones Kit, your all-in-one solution for adding dazzling sparkle to any project. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to get started. Inside, you'll find 2000 clear, flat-back rhinestones, a precision tweezer, and a handy pickup pen. Please note, these gems are not hotfix and require glue for application. Our rhinestones are made from high-quality glass crystal with multifaceted sides for maximum shine. The included tweezer is crafted from durable stainless steel for precise handling. These round gems are designed to be eye-catching and glittery, offering you a more elegant and charming appearance. They are perfect for adding a touch of glamour. With mixed sizes available, these glass gems are perfect for all your DIY needs. Decorate nail art, makeup, phone cases, hairpins, and so much more. The tapered and well-aligned tips of the tweezer allow for firm and easy grasping of each rhinestone. This makes placing gems of various sizes a breeze. What we like? This option provides a substantial amount of high-quality glass rhinestones with precision tools. If you prioritize a refined sparkle and need a reliable tweezer for accurate placement on makeup, nails, or accessories, this set ensures an elegant finish. What people say. These rhinestones are self-adhesive and easy to apply. They stay on well and don't fall off easily. The variety of sizes and shapes allows for creative designs. Number 1. PHOGARY AB Rhinestones Craft Set. Unleash your creativity with over 3,000 dazzling rhinestones. These beautiful gems come in 13 vibrant colors to add a touch of glamour to any project. This set includes not only a generous amount of rhinestones in various sizes but also a handy tweezer. Everything is neatly organized in 2 convenient boxes for easy access. Crafted from quality glass, these multifaceted rhinestones can adhere to almost any surface. They are perfect for adding sparkle to fabric, plastic, metal, and more. The included elbow tweezer makes picking up and placing each rhinestone a breeze. Achieve intricate designs for your jewelry, scrapbooking, and other DIY projects with ease. From nail art and makeup to embellishing clothes, phone cases, and handmade gifts, the possibilities are limitless. Transform ordinary items into extraordinary masterpieces. With this comprehensive set, you can become a true artist and create unique, one-of-a-kind items. We can't wait to see what you create and share on Amazon. What we like? This set boasts an impressive quantity and a wide spectrum of colors and sizes, including special AB finishes. If you love experimenting with color and need a vast selection for diverse projects like clothing, phone cases, or intricate art, this offers exceptional value and creative freedom. What people say. They keep their sparkle even after 2 weeks of wear. They are perfect. I love the colors and they always trigger my creativity. Comes with tweezers and white-colored pencil. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.